Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on Galaxy S23 device. Just to do that, we should first open the settings app and then scroll and tap to the sound and vibration section. Here we'll see the section with the sound, vibration and mood mode. Just to change them, select one from these available modes. In sound mode, we can use the vibration while ringing, and in mood mode to use the temporary mood mode. Just we can move it from 1 to 3 hours or just to select the custom one. To change ringtone and notification sound, you should just do it here. Just tap to the section and select one from these available sounds. Here in system sound section, we can see the system sound volume. We can change the volume. Just let's switch it to the sound. We can change the volume by slide to the left or to the right side. This dot on system sound volume panel. Just to change the system sound tone, select the section and select one from these available sounds. If you want to use touch interactions, dial buttons, Samsung keyboard, charging and screen lock and lock sounds, use these switchers just to turn on or turn off the options. So let's go back. In volume section, we can see the ringtone, media notifications and system volume panels. Just to change them, also slide to the left or to the right side these blue dots. And now we'll see here the use volume keys for media switcher. It's turned on. Now by press up or down volume button we'll switch the medias, and when we'll turn off this option we'll switch the ringtone volume. So let's go back again. If you want to change the call and notification vibrations, you should just do it here. In system vibration sections, by the same way like in sound section, we can turn on and turn off the vibration feedback for touch interactions, dial button, the Samsung keyboard, charging, notifications, gestures and camera feedback option. By the same way, we can change the vibration intensity for calls, notifications, systems, medias, and to use vibration sound for incoming calls. And in sound quality and effects, we can turn on and turn off the Dolby Atmos for gaming and change the equalizer. So let's go here, and in separate app sound you can also just turn on this option by click on the switcher to play the sounds from apps which you'll select on the separate audio devices. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Samsung Galaxy S23 device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.